How to download YouTube videos on your PC. To do that, what you can do is simply go on the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other application on your PC. After going on the search bar on the top side, you can simply search for YouTube. Like I will open it in the new window, go on the plus section, and if this YouTube option is shown in your screen, then you can simply tap on it. Even if it is not shown, then when you click Y, YouTube will be shown as option in your PC, and then just tap on it. The next thing what you can do is simply search for any video that you want to install. So here I search for. So after searching for this video, just select the video that you want to download. So yeah, this is a video that I want to download. So just tap on the download option. Sometimes the owner of the YouTube might not make you download the video. So the download option might not be able in every videos. But if the download option is available for the low quality, then you can just download it. But to install and download this video on your PC in high quality, you must get your premium account. So it is not possible without any premium. So let's download in the low quality for 144p and now click on the download option. Now you must be wondering where this download video is. So click on the view option and you can see just below my watch later option, you can see there is the option of downloads. Since I didn't have any downloaded videos, that's why this option did not show in my PC at that time. But now you can see there is the option of download in the left corner of my YouTube screen. When you scroll down, just below the watch later, you can see there is download option, and then you can view any downloaded videos from your YouTube. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.